How to fix QR code not working on iPhone. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is we're going to check on your camera lens. Make sure it is nice and clean. So if it is covered with dirt or oil, it can cause an issue. So using a microfiber cloth and give your camera lens a very good clean. Make sure it is nice and shiny. There are no debris or dirt covering the lens. So you want to make sure the camera receives enough light to capture the QR code. Next, we go into settings and then scroll down and tap on camera. In here, you want to make sure scan QR code is turned on. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. After that, we go back out and then we go down and tap on general. And then we go down and tap on language and region. In here, you want to make sure live text is also switched on. So tap on live text toggle button to switch it on. Now give it a try and see if you now can scan the QR code. If it still does not work, then here's what you can do to try next. Okay, so instead of using the camera to scan the QR code, we can use the built-in QR code app. So what you want to do is swipe down at the top to open up the control center, and then you tap on the add button and then tap on add control. So you want to look for scan code, so type in scan. So they changed it to scan code now, so tap on scan code and that will add in the QR code app to the control center. Okay, so now you tap on that to open up the built-in QR scanner app. And from there, you can use the flashlight to turn on the flashlight for extra lighting, or you can switch it off. Okay, so that is another alternative way how you can scan QR code by using the built-in app. Now, if for some reason, and if it still does not work, another thing that you can do is launch the camera. You can take a photo of the QR code. Okay, so after that, you can go to your photos library. So open up photos. In here, we go down and on the picture, you can touch and hold. Then here you can see it shows I can open it in Safari. I can share it. I can copy the link. So I can tap on it to open up the QR code. If you have a QR code on a website, you can take a screenshot. So here, let's say I want to capture this QR code. I can press on the side button and the volume up button to take a screenshot. And from there, I can save to photos. Then I can go into photos and then touch and hold on the pictures. And then I can open in Safari. Okay, so if it still does not work, after all that, you can try to perform a software update. So go into settings and then we go down and tap on general, then tap on software update. Try to see if you can run the latest software update, maybe because there could be a bug in the current version of your software. So go in here and update to the latest version and restart your iPhone. So after that, you can try to restart the iPhone, pressing on the side button or the volume down button, press and hold to restart the iPhone, or you can swipe down at the top and touch and hold the power button and then swipe across to restart the iPhone. Okay, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.